Friends, Andrew here, and in this video I am going to show you how to add a new user to your Amazon Associates account. So all you have to do once you logged in, click the three lines on the upper right hand side, go to your account, click on your account settings, and once you're here you want to look for the option in the list that says manage account users and select your primary email address. So click on that and you'll be taken over to where you can easily find your current users. That's the first one is going to be basically the account that you use to create the account, but you can add a user by simply clicking on the user section here. Enter the email address that you want to enter. So I'm going to make up something here and enter an email address. And once you go ahead and add that in, you want to go ahead and select the level, so that can be basic or just for report access. I'm going to choose basic, and once you do that you can add, for example, another user, so you can add multiple users at the same time. For now I'm going to stick with one. Then we want to go ahead and enter this captcha here, so I'm going to enter the captcha that it asks me to enter here. And once you do that, click and submit, and you will see that it added the user here. It says user has been added and the person has been, and there's an email invite sent to that user, right? I just heard the email notification came into my phone there, and so yeah, that shows that it is invited, right? Now here under the invited section, you will see that person as well, and you can see all of those invitations that you've added. If you go back to current, you will see that it's still one person, and until that person has accepted the invite, you will not see that person under this section. But you can see that it's currently that the person has been added because they're now under the invite section. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.